Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right in Settings. First, unlock your iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date so menu labels match. Once done, tap Settings and locate Display and Brightness. This is where Auto Lock lives. If you use Focus or Sleep mode, also open Health or Focus settings to check bedtime or sleep schedule. You're taking these steps now to avoid toggling conflicting controls later, and to make sure the system doesn't re-enable. Now you'll turn off the automatic lock and any scheduled sleep. In Display and Brightness, choose Auto Lock and set it to Never. This prevents the screen from dimming and locking. Then go to Settings, Focus, pick Sleep, and disable the schedule and any automation so Focus won't activate at night. Finally, open the Health app, tap Sleep, and confirm sleep schedule is off. Doing each of these ensures no single setting overrides the others. Finish by verifying related features won't reintroduce sleep. Open battery and make sure low power mode is off because it can shorten auto lock. Restart your iPhone to apply the changes. A reboot clears lingering processes. If the screen still sleeps, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset All Settings. This restores defaults without deleting data and often resolves hidden conflicts. If that fails, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.